Okay, students. Now find the median weight of the students. Here, weight in kgs given as class intervals. Number of students also given as frequency. Here, first, here median is required. Finally, we have to derive median. Here, formula for median is that median formula is that L plus n by 2 minus CF by small f into h. This is the formula. To get median, L, N, CF, small f and h. These are required. We should know about L value, N value, CF value, small f value, h value. Means answer of median depends upon these variables L, N, CF, F, H. We will see how we get L, N, CF, F, H from this table. By using this table only, we have to derive these 5 variables. Okay, to get these values, I am making a table. Let the weight in kg be class interval. Suppose that as class interval. Let the number of students be suppose as frequency. Frequency means Fi. Here given classes are starting from 30, 35 to 55 to 60. 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. These are the classes. From given table, these are written. Now frequencies are 4, 5, 10, 885. 4, 5, 10, 885. These are the frequencies. Means here given table written made like this. Now we have to get L, N, CF, F, H. Here L means lower limit of median class. Median class which is required. N means sum of frequencies. Sum of frequencies. Here CF means cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency preceding the median class. Median class. F means frequency of median class. Frequency of median class. H means height of the class. Height of the class. These are required. To get median, these variables will be required. Now, to find out, here median class is important. Here median class is important. Without knowing median class, we cannot find out L, C, F, F. First, we have to know about median class. To find out median class, N is required. N is required. Sigma F is required. Sigma F means find out the sum of these 4, 9, 29, 37, 45, 50. See, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 10, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 35, 40. Once again see, 4 plus 5, 9, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 35, 40. Here 40 is the n value. Here, now find out the, here n value is 40. Now find out n by 2 means 40 by 2. 40 by 2 means 20. Here, now observe this 20 in frequencies. There is no 20. That's why we should find out the cumulative frequency value. Less than cumulative frequency is required. To know about this n by 2 value, now we are extending this table as LCF, less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency is required. To find out less than cumulative frequency, first write frequency of first class as it is. Now 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 10, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. 19 plus 8, 27. 27 plus 8, 35. 35 to 35 plus 5, 40. Here, these two should be coincident. Therefore, our sum of frequency is correct. Our LCF also correct. Now, check here. This 20 lies in this class. Here, up to this class, we have only 19. From 20, 21, 22 up to 27 we have in this class. Therefore, this becomes the median class. Median class. Here we got now median class. We got median class. Means indirectly we will get L value, CF value, F value. Here L value means what? Lower limit of median class. Here which is the median class? Therefore, this is the lower limit. Means L value is 45. Here we got 45. Now N means already we got 40. Here CF means cumulative frequency preceding the median class. Here which is the median class? Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Preceding means previous class. This is the previous class. Here cumulative frequency of previous class is that 19. Therefore, which is the CF value? We got CF value. CF value is equal to what now? 19. Now, F means frequency of median class. Here, which is the frequency of median class? Frequency of the median class. Here, 8 is the frequency of median class. Now, height of the class. Height of the class means class interval. Class interval. Now, 35 minus 30, 5. 40 minus 35, 5. 45 minus 40, 5. Therefore, that fixed value 5 is known as height of the class. Just substitute these values in our formula. Our formula is that median is equals to L. Here L value is 45 plus N by 2. Here N by 2 got as 20 minus CF. CF is equal to 19 by small f. Small f means 8 into H. H means 5. Just now simplify, you will get answer. 45. 20 minus 19, 1 by 8 into 5. 45 plus 1 5s are 5 by 8. Now divide this 5 by 8, which is not divisible. Therefore, write 0, write 0. 8 6 are 48. 2. 8 twos are 16, 4. 8 fives are 40. Therefore, remainder is 0. Now 45 plus 0.625. Your answer is 45.625 is the median. Therefore, median weight is 45.625 kgs. Therefore, this is the median. Here, a table given. To find out median, first we have to know about, we have to remember median formula. Here, according to median formula, these are required. These are found by using this table. To find out median class, first n is required. After getting n, find out n value, n by 2 value. Then see this n by 2 value under less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency. In this, by using which is included in this class only, therefore that is the median class. After finding median class, we can find out easily. Then substitute in formula, then simplify, you will get answer.